What happens if you overstay your visa? Overstaying might seem like a small mistake, but it can have serious and lasting consequences. Fines, travel bans, deportation, and difficulties getting future visas are all possible outcomes. In this video, we'll break down exactly what visa overstay means, the penalties you could face in different countries, and the steps you can take to fix your status. We'll also cover how to make sure it never happens to you. Let's start with the basics. A visa overstay happens when you remain in a country beyond the date you are legally authorized to stay. That date is usually shown on your visa, your entry stamp, or in an official document like an I-94 in the United States. This applies whether it's just one day over or several months. Overstays can happen for many reasons. Sometimes it's intentional, such as deciding to stay longer without renewal. Other times it's accidental. You might miss a flight, face delays in paperwork, or have a family emergency. Misunderstanding the rules is another common reason. For example, confusing the visa's validity period with the allowed length of stay. Immigration authorities track entries and exits carefully. Most countries now use digital systems or biometric checks to log your travel dates. Once your overstay is recorded, it can affect not just your current visit but also your chances of getting visas in the future. Now let's talk about consequences. Once your allowed stay ends, you immediately lose your legal status. Many countries impose fines, sometimes calculated per day you overstay. In the Schengen area, for example, fines can reach hundreds of euros. In Thailand, you pay for each day you remain without permission. Re-entry bans are another major penalty. In the United States, overstaying more than 180 days can mean a 3-year ban, while overstaying for over a year can mean a 10-year ban. Australia, the UK, and Canada have their own strict rules, which may include multi-year bans or even criminal charges in some cases. Deportation is also possible, with authorities either asking you to leave or detaining you until you do. Some countries have grace periods, which are short windows after your visa expires where you can still leave or extend without facing heavy penalties. But these are not guaranteed. The UAE often grants 10 to 30 days, while in Thailand, fines start from the first day. Exceptions may be made for medical emergencies, natural disasters, or government processing delays, but you usually need proof. If you have already overstayed, act quickly. You might be able to leave voluntarily before authorities take action, which can reduce penalties. Some countries allow you to apply for an extension or switch to another visa type, but you must act fast. In certain cases, you can request a waiver for unlawful presence if you have strong reasons, such as family or humanitarian concerns. Seeking legal advice from an immigration lawyer can be a smart move, as they know how to negotiate and protect your options. The best solution is prevention. Track your visa expiry date with reminders in your phone or travel apps. Always understand the conditions of your visa and apply for extensions well before your stay ends. Double-check the date on your entry stamp, as it may be shorter than you expect. Overstaying a visa is not just about breaking a rule. It can impact your ability to travel freely for years. With the right awareness and action, you can avoid these problems and keep your travel record clean. If you are already in this situation, take steps now. If you are not, plan ahead to make sure you never face these consequences.